Twinkle's bulky is such a pleasure to work with because of the blend of acrylic, terylene, and mohair. That makes it very, very soft. Look at this. Squishy is just a pleasure to work with. And the fabric, the drape is amazing. And it just slides as well because it's so soft. And the speckles, they just give such a dimension to the final stitch. Is just a pleasure to work with. I enjoy that a lot. And the muscle memory of making those granny clusters just flies. You don't even know how you reach the end of the row. I love it. It just makes a mindless project go so fast. I received this product free to try.